Look, I know why you're here. You're watching this because you have big goals. You want to succeed. You want to build something great. And you want to be the best version of yourself. You're putting in the hours, sitting at your desk, and you're ready to put in the work. But let's be honest, it is exhausting, right? You start up your day with a long to-do list, but by afternoon, the notification are gone, the distraction are piled up again, and you're feeling completely overwhelmed. You're running very fast, but still yet you feel like you're staying in the same spot. That is the productivity trap. It is a trap that don't want you to excel. It is a trap that don't want you to move forward. It is a trap that don't want you to be productive. And it's a trap that don't want you to succeed. That is exactly why I have spent the last few months engineering a solution to that particular problem. I've distilled everything I know about energy, focus, and system into my new ebook titled The Productivity Series, From Overwhelmed to Unstoppable. It is a 10 chapters blueprint designed to take you from scattered to sharp, from confused to clarity, from distraction to focus and total concentration, from indiscipline to discipline, from less productive to highly productive individual, and teaching you how to master your environment and automate your success. One good thing I really love about this ebook is that it gives you a real step-by-step guide on how to achieve the goal or aim of the particular chapter that you're reading. And also, at the end of every given chapter, you will have a list of assignments that will help you to practice what you've studied or learned from the book in a real-world setting. No fluff, no errors, just pure strategy that works. I'm officially launching this in the first week of March 2026, but I'm doing something very special for my inner circle. Now you might be wondering, what could that be? I've opened a private WhatsApp waitlist group so that those in the group will get a waitlist only discount and early access before the public launch. Believe me, this ebook is going to transform your productivity level from less than 10% to over 85% in just a few months. So if you're interested, click the link in the description of this video or check the pinned comment to join the group right now, or drop interest tests to secure your spot. Take action now because you might not see this video again.